hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach.
Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This is my Germany Christmas vlog. So right now we're making cookies and melting butter. And then we're gonna make, oops, there we go. Yes. Then we're going to make Christmas cookies that Grandma sent. So we'll show you everything. Bye. Hey guys, I haven't talked at all, but we're having sushi dinner and look at this. Oh, it looks so good. Italian. Anyways, it's the 23rd. Tomorrow we have a busy day because it's Christmas. Say hi. Hi. Alright, we're gonna eat. Bye.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
Merry Christmas Eve. My hair looks great right now. We're having breakfast. I don't know what this is called, but it's like a jelly-filled donut and a pretzel with butter. So we have to cook today, clean, make all the desserts. Maddie. And he's all dressed already. Look at him. Hi. Anyways, keep you updated. Here's a picture. I'm gonna add them all together. Hello, it's Christmas Eve. I finally am able to talk. I feel like I haven't talked at all this video, but basically, the past few days we've just been doing a little Christmas thing, so I showed you guys that. And then today is Christmas Eve, which in most of like European culture, I think, I don't want to like generalize, but I'm pretty sure that's the day that most of them celebrate Christmas. Like that is the big day. So today all the family's coming over. We were cleaning, setting up the tables. We made Rice Krispie treats and all that stuff. We were wrapping gifts, and then so tonight all the family will come over. There's like 20 something of them coming, and we'll have food, and then at midnight we open gifts, or a little bit earlier if the kids are excited. So the bulk of Christmas is on Christmas Eve here, and then tomorrow they just have like a lunch, so it's a little bit different, but I'm excited to experience it. And happy New Year's, Merry Christmas to everyone at home. I miss you guys, and I hope you guys had a good day. Hopefully not too fun without me, because I'm late for the party. Just kidding. But I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I'm excited for you guys to see all the stuff that happens today. So also yesterday my brother got my mom's Christmas gift, and I just think it's so funny because every single year we give my mom a Christmas picture with Santa. Like that's one of our gifts for her. So this year, since I wasn't there, Zach got creative, and I'm gonna put the picture here. But I just think it's so funny because he like came up with this on his own, and I just think it needs a spot of its own. So okay, I just finished FaceTiming my parents and grandparents, so I'm gonna show you guys downstairs. You probably won't be able to hear me because there's a lot of people, but I'll show you like videos of everything. So yay!
This cold December day, on this cold December day, on this cold December day, we are on our merry way. Just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day. This with an upsetting is right here. You're welcome.
So fit. 6th. We're going ice skating now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes? Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you guys our skills, see if we're good.
Hi.
Hey.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
Today we're out exploring, seeing all the places. Oh, oh. So how are we gonna do this?
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and
Okay guys, this is the end of the Christmas vlog. I'll have another Germany vlog next week. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye. Bye. Ciao.